Here's a real opportunity, folks. We have a 1970 Buick GS 455 convertible. They only made 1,416 of these altogether. This one has been body off frame rotisserie, nut and bolt restored. It's numbers matching, loaded with options from cold air conditioning, power windows, power locks, power seat, all sorts of goodies, which I'll tell you all about. And this is what makes it even more special. The gentleman that we acquired the car from has been a longtime friend, customer, and diehard car collector. And guess what? He's owned and operated a very successful body shop for decades. This was his own car. He restored it for himself. He's owned this car 19 years. There's about 7,000 miles on it since it's been done. Looks like it was done yesterday. So here's an opportunity to buy a car that was restored by a restorer for himself. It's a quality piece. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer questions. You'll find 200 classic cars there for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, it's the original color, Gulfstream Blue. It's gorgeous. Far better than factory. All this is outstanding. Absolutely every square inch is straight and beautiful. The gaps are square and flush. The fender is just as pristine. And this paint job's 19 years old. All the way down to the bottom, smooth as can be. The gaps are right on the money. No bubbles, no blisters, no shrinkage of paint or bodywork. Jams are just as slick. Shuts like a new car. All of this is amazing. All the lines right on the money. It's got that hairline crack, a little tiny hairline. Convertibles flex there. There's a seam. And that one's actually pretty darn minor. This is all straight, clean. Same thing, a little bit longer on this side. Just a hairline crack in the paint. All this is amazing. All the way down. Look at way down here, the reflection of my hand. It's a mirror behind the rear tire, 19 years after it was painted. Right around the trim here, real nice and tight, all smooth, clean. Tiny scratch right here, a little tiny one. Doors open and close real nicely. All fits beautifully, all smooth. Laser beam straight, all the metallic, very tiny metallic, but it's laid out evenly. There's no blotchiness, there's no cracking, there's no issues at all that I see. It's painted like a mirror, like you can just reach right into it. It looks like it's deep. These are functional ram air scoops. That fresh air is forced right into the engine right there. A lot of NOS parts. The grille is NOS. It's new old stock, never used. The headlight bezels, the bumpers were re-chromed. They're the originals. Show quality, triple plated. The wheel well moldings are original. Look how nice they fit to the body. The emblems are new. The 455 has the red stripes down there. The 350 has black stripes. That red really pops. Every piece of stainless has been polished. All the chrome redone or replaced. All the seals replaced. Back here, the emblem, show quality, chrome, new bezels, the Buick emblem in the middle. Everything is redone. The stainless is polished. The white convertible top's in excellent shape. He drove it here with the top up, windows up, with the air on. The air was blowing cold. The wheels are the 15-inch, look like 15 by 7. Beautiful, shiny chrome Buick GS mags. The center caps are sparkling. They're wrapped in some real nice BF Goodrich tires. We got a remote mirror on this side. Even the little rubber fillers are there. Yeah, really nice car. Let's continue the tour inside and check out this motor. All right, bet you the trunk's as nice as the rest of the car. And it is. The latch is restored. All under here is painted. It has the stickers. Has the light for a trunk lamp. It looks like the bulb's out of it. The jam is slick. The weather strip is new. Now inside the trunk compartment is pristine metal, and it's sprayed with a gun to replicate the original spatter finish instead of out of the spray can. That's out of a gun. It does look like the reproduction mat's curling up a little bit. I'm sure that could be dealt with. You got a spare and a jack all restored. Wiring's all real nice. Oh, power trunk release too. That's why there's an extra wire on this side. I could have opened it from in the glove box. Convertible top frame was all restored, weather strips replaced. It's a white top. Car was born Gulfstream Blue with the pearl white interior. What an awesome combination. Jams all repainted, door weather strips replaced. The interior was completely replaced. It's a pearl white. Door panels with the long armrest. You got power windows, power locks. The whole dash area is mint. All the wood grain, the bezels. And it has gauges instead of dummy lights. That's an option. That's the mileage since restored, 7,200 miles. And that extra little needle, that's a speed warning. You can set it. It'll start buzzing right now. If you hit 70 miles an hour, it lets you know to slow down. Looks like the clock quit working. Power top, air conditioning. The whole dash pad is mint. It does have a retro Buick stereo. Fits right in the factory hole. Clean glove box. There's the trunk release. Interior lights work. Carpeted kick panels. The Chevelle would have just been plastic. Real nice carpet. Very nice original console. Inside the console, some plug-ins, auxiliary for the stereo. The seats feel like they are rebuilt, recushioned, reupholstered. Headrests are reupholstered. The backs of the seats, all the trim was redone. It has all the GM seat belts. They look pretty darn good. These might be restored. And then wall to wall, all the upholstery, the armrests, the seats, the door panels or side panels, all redone. Interior lights work in the back as well. Visors, I have vanity mirrors. Looks like an original visor. The stitching has come undone on the visor there. The inside mirror is nice. It has the light underneath here. It's not working. Deluxe steering wheel on a tilt column. So yeah, got some nice options. A lot of Buicks were bench seats with auto on the column. A lot of them were brown and green back then, so great colors, great options. Now 70 is the peak year for performance. Buick's known to have a lot of torque out of that 455. This is the original VIN number match motor. Ram air, that air gets pushed right into the scoops here. And completely rebuilt, all stock. 350 horsepower is what it was rated at. And every component, the distributor, the vacuum, the alternator, the brackets, the pulleys, all of them are like new. Again, the air conditioning system is working. Heater control valve. All the components on the firewall are real nice. Raw fiberglass heater box. That's the way it's supposed to be. This here is the overflow bottle. That's an original in really good shape. He put reproduction spring clamp battery cables on there. Cadmium plated latch. Look how all the metal surfaces are all painted real nicely. Got the right shroud, even a little bracket to hold the hose. The washers are hooked up. And we got power steering, power brakes with a cadmium plated booster. Even the heat riser tube is there. Wipers, everything is all nice and clean and proper and looking really good. Michael's going to take you for a ride and show you how nice it runs. We'll see you in a minute.
All right, everybody, I am officially in love. I've never driven this car before, but I didn't even need to drive it to just be head over heels for this one. Rotisserie restored, numbers matching 455. It's got a turbo 400 automatic. It's got lots of power options like power windows, power door locks, and it is just sweet. Power top on this one too, power steering, tilt column. It sounds so nice when it starts up. It's kind of hard to, kind of hard to put that into words, but it's just, it's just a real pleasure. Everything about it just feels really quality. And now just going over that, little bumpy road there, I didn't even feel like one bump. It's just eating everything up. Speaking of, you guys are definitely want to go check out pictures of the undercarriage on this one. You won't be disappointed. I'll just leave it at that. Everything fresh and looking great. This motor has a real nice clean idle. Let's see what she's got. Oh yeah. All right. Well, we went a little bit over the speed limit there, just over 60 miles an hour, but fantastic performer. And this thing is just, it runs so nice and smooth. Fantastic. What a great experience. Top down, sunny day, doesn't get any better than this. See how it goes down the road, just nice and straight. I didn't even set the wheel, just let it go. This thing is just fantastic. Someone is gonna get a gorgeous car that just performs amazingly. The lucky new owner can come out and test drive it if they'd like to first. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So what a body off frame rotisserie restoration means, they separate the body from the frame, so now there's no components under the body, and they flip the body on a rotisserie. That way they can work the lower areas under the car a lot more comfortably and do a better job. So that's what was done to this car. The underbody, the floors, the braces, it's this clean. It's all smooth, semi-gloss metal, not even pitted. It's not patched up. It's all pristine, all painted. The entire frame and chassis was also disassembled, prepped, painted black, detailed. All of the steering and suspension was rebuilt. This has the F41 suspension. That's front and rear sway bars, box rear control arms. Brakes, they're disc in front. A lot of Buicks were still drum. That whole system was redone. The lines are stainless steel, so are the fuel lines. The fuel system was all replaced, the tank, the sending unit, the straps, the insulators, all of it. Correct reproduction dual exhaust system. You look up at the motor, it's still fresh looking. The starter looks brand new. It has its VIN number matching 1970 Turbo 400 automatic. That's the heavy duty automatic. A rebuilt drive shaft goes back to the 10-bolt posi rear end. I don't think I left anything out, but everything under the car is redone. This is a detailed, dialed in, beautiful car, rare, great options, and documented. There's the Sloan Museum, has the microfilm, and we have copies of the paperwork proving that this car was born like this. Go to volocars.com. The salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get your 70 GS delivered home. And if you need help with finance, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.